Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids. Today we are going to learn 3-letter blends, that is CVC blends with short A sound. Before that, let us quickly go through 2-letter blends. Ba, ke, da, fa, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, que, re, se, te, we, xe, ye, ze. Well done! As we know, the letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. They have 2 sounds each, short sound and long sound. Today we will learn short vowel sound. When only one vowel is used in a word, it makes short sound. Now let us see the 3-letter words with short A sound. Let's get started.
Bat, bat. Cat, cat. Rat, rat. Fat, fat. Sat, sat. Mat, mat. Hat, hat. Cab, cab. Man, man. Can, can. Ran. Pan. Van. Fan. Bag. Good job! Now we will try to read the words in rhythm. Let's do it. Tag, rag, cap, map, lap, tap, jam, yam, ram, dam, mam, sad, dad, lad, pad, mad.
Well done! Practice all the 3-letter blends with short A sound daily until you know them well. And in the next lesson we will learn 3-letter blends with short E sound. Bye for now. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of latest video. Thanks for watching.